Okay, this is Doug, WB6Z, and I'm going to be attempting to build this 630 meter 100 watt linear amplifier made by WB4 JWM. Here's the schematic on the screen, and I'm going to use an old CB amplifier to use as the platform. So I'll move forward here. And this is some old CB amplifier on the junk pile, but it happens to have a decent heatsink on it, about for this power class. So here's the inside of it, typical construction, and even some old handwritten labels. And here's kind of a side picture of the heatsink, and measuring it out, see if it's good enough. It's about 5.5 inches by 6 inches, which should be sufficient for this application. So here's disassembling it. Looks like it's going to work well. And I'm going to use this original part of the chassis because it has the cutout already, and it already has the SO239s installed. And I got a piece of 4x6, I think it's FR4, double-sided PCB that I'll probably use a Dremel tool to cut out the sections. And I'm going to use the existing holes probably for the switches and some status LEDs. And then I took drilled out this kind of square shape and then used a file to make it into a square shape for the actual final. And this one is IRFP 250. And then there you can see the IRFP 250. It just happens to be big enough to fit in that hole, and looks like it should mount down to the heatsink quite well. And it's fairly deep, but that MOSFET is a decent size. So this is the platform so far, and looks like this is going to be a very fun project. Parts will be coming in soon.